Y'all, I really never talk in front of the camera. It's so weird. I don't see how y'all can do this. But I'm gonna get used to it though. Anyway, I was sent some hair from, what's the name? Glamorous Remi hair company. They sent me Malaysian straight 18, 14, and 16. The hair came in, you know, I gotta cover my address, but DHL, and it came really fast actually. Like as soon as I won, well, it was a giveaway, y'all, if y'all didn't know, and I won some hair on Instagram. It smelled like regular hair, and I don't know how I don't know what style I'm gonna wear with it. I might just wear like a side part. I really don't know, but the hair is soft. Did I get any shedding? Nope, no shedding at all. The longest is the 18, I think. Yep, longest the 18. And they sent me some, you know, I'm gonna be rocking lashes because you know I like the lashes. Who's that coming down here? Y'all know I like my lashes or whatever. I will actually be making a video wearing that hair, and I'm gonna tell y'all guys like the update, you know, if I curled it or colored it or whatever. I'm gonna try to get some videos out with this hair, y'all, because I haven't put it in my head, you know. I don't know if I want to color it. I don't know if I want to leave it this color. Y'all, this bundle's is really thick. And this is the 14. Yep, it's the 14. And it's really flowy. It's really flowy. Yeah, but that's it, you guys. I will be coming back for a update when I actually have the hair installed. So I'm gonna go now and go make a wig. I probably will make a wig. Y'all, should I make a wig or no? Because I think I'm gonna make a wig. You know what I'm saying? Comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna be having more videos, y'all. So y'all can email me if y'all want to contact me, you know, to review something or something like that. Y'all can follow me on my Instagram. Everything gonna be down below. Okay, so I'm gonna go, y'all. You have a good day, and I'll catch y'all guys later.